everyone, it's Kim. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. So today I'm going to take you along with what I ate. Probably not going to show you anything other than my food today so that I can keep this nice and short for you and hopefully give you some really good ideas for what you can have for your meals for the day. So I'm starting off with my coffee as usual. I'm going to be using my cookie dough skinny syrup today. So since I'm filling up my large mug, I'll do 2 pumps of that. That is 0 smart points. I'm going to go ahead and pop in some coffee. Oh, nice big coffee for today. And then I'm going to measure out 1 tablespoon of coffee creamer. The coffee creamer I'm using today is going to be this fat-free Coffee Mate, and this is 0 smart points for 1 tablespoon. Pretty sure I'm gonna have to double check because I have 1.5 tablespoons as 1 point, so maybe I'll just go ahead and put 1.5 tablespoons in here and just make this a super creamy cup. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, 1.5. And then I will come back and show you in a little while what I'm having for breakfast. Okay, so for breakfast I have 2 slices of this hillbilly bread in my toaster. That's going to be 3 smart points. And then I have 3 eggs here that I'm going to go ahead and scramble. So we're going to go ahead and get these done, and then I will give you a quick snapshot of my plate. I'm just going to use some spray butter. And if you want to know the spray butter that I'm using, it's this Parquet spray here, and this is 0 smart points too. So my entire breakfast, 3 points. Okay, so here is my breakfast. It's all made, and I just want to show you I do have my water cup all filled up and ready to go, so I'll be drinking some nice cold ice water with my breakfast this morning. Alright, I'm going to have this Chiquita banana and try not to sing the Chiquita banana song in my head. Are you going to start singing it now? Okay, so don't laugh, but I'm not really starving, but I know if I don't eat, I'm going to be starving later, and then I'll end up eating my kitchen. I mean, tell me if you get so hungry sometimes that you think, well, I'm not really hungry right now, but then you're over hungry later. So I don't want to get to that point. So I'm going to warm up these green beans, and then what I thought I would do is I would have a half a piece of that cranberry apple oatmeal bake. You can see I already took a small piece out of here in the middle. So there's a piece here missing. But I figure I'll have a half a piece of that on the purple plan. That's 2 smart points per piece, and that's 6 pieces that you cut that into. I'll link that video below so you'll see that. So I think I might just cut it in half, have 1 piece, just a half a piece. That'll be 1 smart point. Green beans are 0. So it's going to be my lunch. I mean, I know it's kind of unconventional, but again, not starving, but I know if I don't eat something, I will be starving later. So stay tuned. I'll show you what I'm either having for a snack or dinner. Okay, so before I have my apple cranberry bake deliciousness, I had a great idea. I was like, wow, why don't I just have a nice cup of hot tea with that? So I am going to pop on my tea kettle. I just have some regular store brand black tea. So I'm gonna pop that tea bag in there. I normally have a little bit of sweetener with it and a little bit of milk, not enough to count a point, but as soon as that gets down, I'm going to sit down and enjoy my snack. So, yay! I get so excited when I decide that, when I have this brainstorm, I'm like, ooh, that sounds really good. So, can't wait to have that. Okay, so I thought I would pop back on here and close out this vlog. I ended up at Texas Roadhouse for dinner, so I had a steak, a sweet baked potato, I had a roll, and I had a chili. So my dinner cost me 16 points. So I'm ending the day at 21. But I tried to make really good choices while I was there. I did check the app. I did check and I just kind of went through. I was kind of shocked. I thought, so in my thinking, I would have thought that the potato and the sweet potato would have both been 0 on the purple plan. But the baked potato was 5, the sweet potato was 3. I only ended up eating half of my potato and then had a good portion of steak left over. So I kind of back down the amount on my app for those 2 items. But again, 21 points is not too bad when you go out to eat at Texas Roadhouse. So I will put some pictures in here. So that you could see the foods that I ate. They were it's so good. I love that place. It's one of my favorite restaurants. All right, so with that said, ending the day at 21, I'll put a picture of my tracker at the end here. Hope that you enjoyed today's video. I know it's kind of a weird food day, but just kind of showing you can still make it work no matter what happens. I mean, no matter what your day brings. So with that said, thanks for watching. Make sure you give me a thumbs up if you liked today's video, and leave some comments below. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And with that said, signing off, and we will see you next video.